What's going down? It's your boy DJ Marcellus Doe, and in today's video we're going to unbox the Bunn quad pods today. So if you don't know what the Bunn quad pods, they're like a pro level version of our adjustable height stands. They don't break down into as many pieces. They have a little bit more robust of a base, and they all come in stainless steel look. Now the bag is also a tad bit better, and the setup process is a tad bit quicker. So I'm just gonna unbox these for the first time, and a full comparison between our adjustable height stands and the quad pods will be coming very soon. Alrighty, so we're gonna get into unboxing this. This is our first time ever actually seeing these quad pods in person. You know, first thing I gotta say, Joe, you gotta throw some warning stickers on here. You don't want somebody cutting this box open and cutting your bag. We have had that happen before, so we want to make sure that that didn't happen to any more customers. So we threw a little warning sticker on there. Just make sure you're careful with sharp objects. But so far, I will say the bag itself is pretty fire. It does have the big BG on there for the Bunn gear, and it's nicely wrapped in plastic. So we're just gonna dump this box out of here. We're gonna get this thing out of the plastic here. Oh, drop my blade there, drop my blade there. Get the plastic out. Like I said, this bag is real nice. It looks like it has two separate pockets. So let's see what's in this first pocket here. In this first pocket, you got nothing. That's just kind of storage. So that's pretty convenient for any of your accessories, or if you still bring in your floor stands just in case of the setup and you may want to have different heights of your tubes. So good little storage pocket there. But let's go ahead and pop this open. Now it does look like the bag does swing all the way open. And then you have a little foam divider here. Like I said, this bag is made real nice, super separated for each individual part. So we're gonna go ahead and crack that foam piece out of there. I'm just gonna lay down on the ground for right now just to get my first look on these tube stands. So off the rip, they're a lot thicker than our original 360 stands, adjustable height stands. But they are super light too. So I'm curious on how heavy these base plates are, because just this part alone is super light, but that's because it's made out of aluminum, and they come in a silver look. So a nice little collar on here, and you can see how much that can extend up. So that's pretty daggone high. Got your 1/4-20 thread on the top there. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull out one of these base plates and check that out. It kind of feels like it's a little airlifted or something in there as well. So here go our stands. They are wrapped up. It'll be my first time putting these on, so this would be interesting to see how these actually work. Now the cool thing about them, and I'm just gonna bring this up to the camera real quick. The cool thing about them, they have these little balls on the end here so that your stands are flat on the floor. So if you're on an angled surface, that your stands still sit flat on the floor. And it looks like you can tie them down a little bit. Oh, nope. Yeah, there's just a little ball here so that you can stand flat on the floor. So let's continue trying to put these stands together. So that's one. So in the bag here, it looks like one piece from each stand. You got 8 slots here, so 2 pieces go to one stand that get inputted into these 8 slots here, and they are Velcro closed and individually wrapped, so you won't have any scuffs and marks on your stands. Alrighty, now this is a piece, I don't know, I haven't watched any videos on these things prior, so we're just gonna see if I can figure it out. It looks pretty simple though. It looks like you just screw off this nut at the end, and then you put your 2 base plates on the end here. So just gonna do that real quick. So boom. And then you just screw this guy on here. So now your nut's on there, tie it down tight, and your stands are all set up and complete. So let me go ahead and move this bag real quick, and we'll toss this stand up on the table. Alrighty, so here goes the Bunn Gear quad pods. As you've seen, It's only like 3 pieces. Mainly, you just got to screw on your base and you're pretty much complete. But super robust stand. I like the legs. I like the feel. I like how light it is on the top part, but you can definitely tell that base got some weight to it. Let me grab a 360 tube real quick so you can see what that looks like on there. But then after that, that's the unboxing of the quad pods. I would say these are definitely a pro version of what we currently have for our adjustable 360 tubes. So if you want something a little bit more of a cleaner look, less prone to scratches and scuffs, and a slightly quicker setup, definitely look into the quad pods. Now I just threw my tube onto the quad pod here, and you can see that it's a little wobbly. So that's where these feet come in. I'm gonna unscrew these now so that this one can push closer towards the table. I'm gonna get rid of some of that wobble. I will say, I do like the look of them being a tad bit thicker, mainly because our tubes themselves are already pretty thick. So it makes it a more seamless look going up besides having such a skinny pole. But so far, that's the unboxing, guys, of the Bunn Gear quad pods. They are real nice stands, as mentioned before. I thought it had an airlift, sorry. It does have a locking there, so you can't pull the stand all the way out, which is nice. But yeah, sorry guys. That is the end of this unboxing video from the Bunn Gear quad pods. Hope you guys enjoyed, and be looking out for the full comparison between our adjustable height stand and the quad pod. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for your support. Peace.